What's up, people? And today I'm going to be doing another Roblox video. Woohoo! I know you guys been wanting to see me do a Roblox video, but I'm sorry I couldn't post because my video editor before was glitchy. I wasn't using this one. I was using Bandicam. So yeah, today I am going to be playing Jailbreak, but on a private server, because starting after I get 100,000 every day, I'm gonna get 100,000 until I get 500,000, and then I'll be able to get the Bugatti. So yeah,
private server.
Are
you playing on my private server?
I'm gonna. So yeah, I go to servers and the
My meatball
people scram.
My meatball people want to
Guys,
so we are playing Roblox.
I'm gonna tell them a secret. Guys, we're saving the gummy bears and gummy worms for tonight. Just joking. We don't have any gummy bears and gummy worms. See what? Dash.
Yeah, you go on Dash.
Yeah, I need to go on Dash with the cash.
Because he has a Lambo on that, and on that he also has a duffel bag.
I also have the duffel bag.
On Dash with the cash.
I'm not showing you my password to Dash with the cash.
So pause it.
Yeah, so I'll see you when I'm in Dash with the cash. Okay, I'm in the profile. Let's play this.
That is not
I don't. Huh? Yeah, we can have a webcam. Who cares? Only that glue. Only
my meatball people want to scream.
My meatball people want to scream. My meatball people want to scream. My meatball people want to scream. Oh, Vigard's in the game. I'm gonna tell him that I'm doing a YouTube video that I just shouted out his profile on my YouTube video. So I'm gonna go on Discord, guys.
It will be able to tell him to be able to hear him, and that you're recording right now.
I know.
Pause it until you get on Discord.
Yeah, I'm gonna pause it until I get on Discord. My meatball people wanna scream.
My meatball people.
Shut up. Nobody wants to hear you. I'm joking.
And like they want to hear you, boy.
People actually subscribe to me for a reason.
People actually subscribe to me for a reason.
So you do go do
you have less subscribers than I do.
Yeah, because I shout out you.
Yeah, but you've never posted.
Dang! It's not even loading! Load! God!
Loading like crazy.
Look,
it's glitching. It's making loading things. Come on.
Boy. Well, yeah, who cares? So, I'm going to be playing on Blitz Beginnings. What? Okay, so I'm going to be playing. My people wanna scram. What?
Is it paused?
No. Well, I will see you. I was about to say, wow. Guys, I was about to say, I'll see you when we're in a game and a game just loaded. I was about to say, well, people want to stream. I'm not joining them. I'm joining a private server. Why would a private server be full?
I didn't know you were joining the private server. I thought you were joining him.
Let's play some Roblox.
Top is still recording.
I know.
Go on Discord and do.
I can't, won't load. Guys, this hasn't loaded over here yet. So, see, look, I have 91,000.
Oh, already?
Yeah.
Are you saving up for 500,000?
Yes, I am.
I hate that way to escape. The most easiest way is to just explode the wall. It's really much easier.
Especially that happens.
It's called run. Run, boy, run. Run, run, lost boy.
Punch, you stupid idiot! You don't know how to punch?
Away from all of
You nerd.
Nerd. Nerd. I'm a nerd.
I'm trying to show him. I'm trying to get.
I'm a nerd.
I'm trying to get 100,000 for today.
How do you say
And-
cop car?
And then after I get the 100,000, I'm going to.
I did not know you could do that.
I am. So after this, I'm going to shout out my subscribers. After I'm done getting down 100. So yeah, but first I'm gonna go. I'll see you when I'm at the neighborhood. So guys, I don't know if my mic stopped working. So if you can still hear me though, cool. I'll watch the video after I'm done. And if you can't hear me, I'm sorry. So yeah. I'm sorry if it I'm sorry if it stopped working. I'm gonna go get the Lamborghini. My name is Roland. Edward Hayden. Give me that Lamborghini. You guys look, I have the Lamborghini. Well, found out what's under the Lamborghini. You see, oh, Hayden. But why can't I even see myself? That's the most part. I know secrets of when you hop in a word. So I'm gonna be opening safes. At least one safe. Eight. And I'm gonna be opening the other one. No! At least I got a rare. Legendary is the best. Rare is good. Rolling. Yeah. Yeah. I'm driving on the mountain. Driving on the mountain. You see me rolling with trouble. Hayden. See guys, look, I'll show you my money. If I could even make it work. See? I have that much money. You so precious. Smile. So I'm gonna move it back. down. Oh, you guys can still see my money. That's perfectly like that. Yo, yay. Might as well make a glitch. Might as well just go grab this. Just for the fun of it. You're so precious. It's so easy to get money. Oh, I saw a bag! No, I didn't rob this place, but might as well just go on YouTube right now since before I have to go. So yeah, you so precious when you. So my subscribers. So then I go to my profile. Okay, I'm clicking on my profile. So I'm sorry, guys. I can't do it today. But next time! Peace!